How's it going, everyone? Bryce Green here with Big Kit Blocks, and I am excited to show you guys one of my personal favorite blocks and block kit. That is our Suck-It blocks. This is a perfect way to get that dust extraction system working really well, and also it just looks really cool. We've got multiple layers here with the Velcro on the bottom for all your hookit, abrasives, everything like that. And then you also get to see through the clear tube all of the dust that you're creating through your sanding projects is going to get sucked up right through that tube and into your vacuum system. We offer these in the 3 different lengths, and you need to make sure that when you're selecting whatever blocks you're getting or the block kit that you're selecting the adapter size that's going to work best for your dust extraction unit. So make sure you're doing that and go ahead and tell that dust to suck it. Make sure you can head over to our website, www.bkblocks.com, and get your Suck-It blocks ordered today. Thanks, guys.